Good evening, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I came here with topic related to trigonometry, and the chapter topic name is complementary angle and their properties. Also, today I will discuss upon how you will solve the questions of complementary angle and their related problems, how you will solve from NCERT book, from other book. Now let's see what is the complementary angle. As we know that about that complementary angle, two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. If their sum is 90 degree, I know that this is more this is really very you are all are acquainted about that, and complementary angle and their property. So I will not go in the depth of complementary angle. I will just start from the properties, and I will just start how you will solve these questions. So let's see, and about the question we will go further. For to solve the question, let's go to the board. Students, see this. I have written complementary angle and their properties. In trigonometry, the complementary angle is that one angle is already 90 degree. In right angle triangle, there is one angle is already 90 degree. So ABC, let's say it is theta 1 and it is theta 2. Therefore, the first property will be theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degree. And then thereafter, you can find the value of theta 1 as 90 minus theta 2. As 90 minus theta 2. And then if we will take sine on this one, then there will be a relation, and we have to find that relation. What are the trigonometric complementary angles? So the trigonometric relations complementary angle is sine theta. The complement of this one is cos theta. Then tan theta. Vice versa, cos theta complement of cos theta will be sine theta. So tan theta complement is cot theta. Sec theta complement of this cosec theta. Suppose I am writing sine 58 degree. If I will search the complement of this sine 58 degree, so it will go cos and then 90 minus 58, that is 32. 90 minus 58, that is 2. Always the sum of this one and this one, 58 plus 32, always 90. And sine will be goes cos will go sine, tan will goes cot will goes tan, sec will go cosec will goes in sec. So you must have to memorize these things, and it will be easy. When you will memorize this thing, it will be easy to solve the question. So let's see how we will use this and solve the question. So I am writing after this one a question, then I will use this one and solve the questions. Now see the question. First question is evaluate tan 5 degree into tan 25 degree into tan 30 degree into tan 55, 65 into tan 85 into tan 65 degree into tan 85 degree. So after this, how you will solve? I will suggest pick those one whose sum is 90. Pick those one and collect those one with sum is 90. So I will collect tan 5, make pair with tan 85, so that 85 and 5 will be 90. Similarly, tan 25 will come with tan 65, because 65 and 25 will be 90. Now the known value is tan 30. It is written as same because it is known to us. We know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So see this one. When 5 and 85 will be 90. So change only one. Either this one or this one. In this case, you have to change only one. Either tan 85 and tan 85. If I will change tan 85, it will be cot 5. If I will change tan 5, it will be cot 85. So if I will change tan 5, so I will write tan. I know that the tan complement of tan is cot, so I will write cot. Then I will subtract 90. I will subtract 5 from 90, so it will be 85 into tan 85. Okay. Again, if I will change this one, so it will go cot 90 minus 25 will be 65, or then tan 65 into tan 30. Now tan, as we know that tan theta into cot theta always 1, so this one 1 into tan 30. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so the value of this one will be 1 by root 3. This is very easy, and I hope that you all will understand about this one. So I will suggest go and choose any one question and do and solve this one, this like this. You will be very easy. You will see that it is very easy to solve such questions. Complementary chapter and complementary question is very easy, and for board perspective it is very important question, because in most of the cases in every year, most of the cases the question related to from this chapter always come. Just hold on. See this one, I have written one more question. If sin theta plus 36 is equal to cos theta, so and theta plus 36 is an acute angle, so find theta. So here I will say that if here it is sin, then there will be a cos. If it is tan, then there will be a cot. If it is sec, then there will be a cosec, because sin and cos both are complement, tan and cot both are complement. So it is a clear cut instruction how we will solve this question. We have to change this one into sin, so it will be easy, since we will write sin theta plus 36 is equal to cos theta. So we know that cos theta can be written as sin 90 plus theta. Cos theta, we can write cos theta as sin 90 plus sin 90 minus theta. So after comparing sin, so theta plus 36 will be 90 minus theta. Take theta one side, so theta plus theta is equal to 90 minus 36. So it will be 2 theta is equal to 4, and then ये हो जाएगा आपको 8 minus 3 5. Then 2 theta is equal to 54 degree, so theta is equal to 27 degree. So this is a very easy question, and this is the very easiest method to solve such types of question. And these questions are very important question related to exam for school examination as well as the board examination. See, third question related to complementary angles. If ABC are interior angle of triangle ABC, prove that tan angle B plus C by 2 is equal to cot A by 2. So देखिए इसको, यहाँ tan रहेगा, यहाँ cot रहेगा. इसके बाद देखिए इसकी पहचान कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. अगर यहाँ पे B और C है तो यहाँ A होगा, यहाँ A और C है तो यहाँ B होगा, यहाँ A और B है तो यहाँ पे C होगा. इस तरह से एक एंगल, ट्रायंगल के 3 एंगल होते हैं, तो एक एंगल जो होगा उस साइड होगा, 2 एंगल इस साइड होगा, ये आपको है. अब इसको शुरुआत कैसे करेंगे. इसको शुरुआत करने के लिए वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इन ट्रायंगल ABC, इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंगल A प्लस एंगल B प्लस एंगल C is equal to 180 degree. So we will go with the requirement of questions. So first the question is saying that B plus C will remain with one side, so we will write B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. After that, here is a 2 is there, so we will divide both side by 2, so it will be B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 180 का आधा हो जाएगा 90 और A का आधा हो जाएगा A by 2. So here tan is taken, so we will take tan both side, so it will be written as tan B plus C divided by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus A by 2. As we know that tan 90 minus theta will be cos theta, so it will be written as tan B plus C divided by 2 is equal to cot A by 2, hence proved. This is the method. So till that, student, I will suggest you solve NCERT question of complementary angle, and then give me a comment, write a comment in my comment box that how you have solved, what are the problem you face in by while solving the questions related to complementary angle. Then I will give you the guideline about that. Till that, have a good day, have a good day, and goodbye. Keep watching my video, keep liking. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. God bless you. Take care.